नमस्ते सबैजनालाई स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा। अनि आज चाहिँ अब यति बेला म स्कुल जाँदैछु है। र जानुको कारण चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ आज चाहिँ 14th of November र आज चाहिँ स्कुलमा चिल्ड्रेन्स डे सेलिब्रेट गर्ने हो हाम्रो नानीहरुसँग र त्यसैको लागि म जाँदैछु। र आज हामी चिल्ड्रेन्स डे कसरी इन्जोय गर्नेछौँ त्योहरु सबै देखाउने छु। सो हेर्दै गर्नुहोस् मेरो युट्युब च्यानललाई। अनि लाइक शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु नबिर्सिदिनु होला। सो यहाँ नानीहरुको लागि सानो सानो भए पनि गिफ्ट्सहरु किनिदिरहेको छु आज चिल्ड्रेन्स डे को लागि हाम्रो हेमदिकोबाट। Okay, so we are decorating the classrooms because the kids they like lights, no, colorful lights. So we have decorated the classroom with lights and balloons. So we are going to decorate it. Happy Children's Day, Mahima and Subeksha.
Why are you pushing it?
Joam! Happy Children's Day! Finally, the decorations are over and now we are going to celebrate our Children's Day for our loving kids. No? So please enjoy the day, okay? We'll play different kinds of games today. You'll get certificates, okay? We'll cut cakes and what else? I'm going to decorate, arrange this because I have bought some eatable items for the kids. यहाँ ल्याइदिएको छु नानीहरुको लागि। For my students, so like to wish you all a happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Miss.
So because of you all, and this world is wonderful, isn't it?
Yes.
You all make this world a beautiful place. So today is the day, so in which you can celebrate. Okay. Actually today is whose birthday? Do you know?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes. Who said? Very good. So today is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Okay. So on his birthday only, the day was fixed. Okay. Because he used to love kids, and he was known as Chachaji also. Okay. Every kids. That's why Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Okay. So today we are going to celebrate this day, beautiful day, in a different way. Okay. Like first of all, we'll cut the cakes. Okay. And after that, we have kept different kinds of games for you all. Okay. You will play, and whoever wins will get the certificates. Okay. And after that, you can dance. We will dance. After that, you will have lunch and you can go. Got it? So let's celebrate today first by cutting the cakes. So please come. Come. Every one of you, please gather here. Every one of you. Nursery, please come in front. I brought chocolates for them.
क्या वो पेड़ है चादर वो है या खड़ा कोई
Miss is going to give the demo. You just look carefully. And we will start the game.
Okay, you will not touch, okay?
You will not touch with the hand. See, this is the demo. And this you have to come and put it in the glass. Okay? So okay, 2 students will participate at a time because you have to come to this place also. No, it will be difficult, that's why. Okay? So first, Subeksha and Mahima. Keep your hands at the back. Okay, ready? 1.
1, 2, 3, start. You can put that spoon with you can with your hand. With your hand. No, start. Cheer up.
Oh.
So good. So exact. Together.
5. 5. One at a time.
No, if you can, you break and second.
2. 3. Push a spoon.
You can only use spoon with your hand. Mama, here you can do it. Yes.
Time up. Okay, so who is the winner here? Subeksha. So she collected 3 marbles and Mahima 1. So please clap hands for Subeksha. Subeksha is the winner. Okay. Now Wonju and Dipankar. So they are also going to play collect the marbles.
Okay, are you?
Put it.
Then I will give you. No, time. Wait. Arrange it properly. Arrange it. Lovely. 3, 2, 1, start.
Hands at the back. Hands at the back. You will be disqualified.
Once you arrange, then you can.
Hands at the back. Yeah. Okay, come. Dipankar.
Okay, you can. One joke you can. Spoon is.
Okay, Dipankar 3, 1 to 1. Orange spoon. Hands at the back. Oh.
18, 17, 16,
Hands at the back.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, so Dipankar collected 5 marbles and Wonju collected 1. So
That's right, marble.
okay. Now next, Srishant and Sanskrit. Yeah, come. Hey, open. So here,
First arrange it.
Srishant and Sanskrit is there. Bring it closer. Closer. Okay, hands down. Hands at the back.
Wait.
3,
2, 1, start.
Cheer up. Yeah. Give it. Go. Okay. Yes. Srishant. Srishant, come. Okay, 1. No. Okay, no problem. Yes, come. Okay. Yes.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Stop. Okay, so here Srishant collected 2 marbles and Sanskrit collected 1. So winner is Srishant. Okay, please clap hands for Srishant. How are you enjoying? Yes. Enjoy the game. Okay. Okay, now Abhinav and Nishamang. Please come. Okay, hands to the back. First, arrange your spoon
Arrange it properly.
properly. Yes.
Sit. Wait, 3, 2, 1, start.
Cheer up your friends. Hands back. Hands to the back. La. Eh.
14, 12, 11, 7,
Hands to the back. Oh, time up. Okay, so they are not able to collect any marbles. Okay, anyway, clap hands for them. They participated. Okay, now Abhi and Raz left. So please come. Abhi and Raz.
Another game is there. 3, 2,
Ready?
okay, wait, don't push. You put it to the side. Yeah, leave. 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, Raz, very good. Come. Yes. 1. Oh, yes, Raz, very good.
What are you doing?
Yes. Oh, Raz, very good.
Very good.
3.
Abhi is 21.
5. Okay, 5 is. A4. Oh, A, Raj, very good. 5. B. At least one, collect one. Yes. Yes, one. Okay, one. You put it, no. Time. Time up. So, Raj collected how many? 3, 6, 7 marbles. Clap and for Raj. Very good. And Abhi was not able to collect any marbles. Okay. So this game is over with class 4. Okay. And now we are going to start another game, that is balancing the ball with the students of class 2. So are you ready? 3 of you. Okay. So here is Riyan Seva, Priyansi Rai and Shreyan Pradhan. So we are going to give you the ball and glass. Okay. Okay. Whoever comes first, okay, reach this, dropping the ball on the floor, okay, will be the winner. So you have to balance the ball and the glass. Okay. So are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, Shreyan is the winner. Okay. Clap hands for Shreyan. Okay, we will start another game for class 1, that is bursting the balloon. So students of class 1 will participate, and here class 4, class 1 and KZ. Blew the balloons, and what we are going to do is burst the balloon. 3 balloons minimum. Okay. So ready? Okay.
3, 2, 1, start.
Start. Sit and burst it. Sit and burst it. Sit and burst it.
Sit. One, first.
Okay, this is the winner.
Finish. You are correct. Piani, you are left one. One something.
This is the winner. So look here. This is the winner.
Wash it.
Okay, now we are going to start another game, that is collect the biscuit. Collect the biscuits. Okay. So Miss is going to give the demo. Okay. You have to keep your hands at the back. Class nursery, 2 of you will participate at a time. Okay. Just collect the biscuit with your mouth, and you have to come and drop the biscuit in this plate. Okay. See ya. Oh, example. Ooh, like this. Okay. You have to come and you have to put it in this plate. Okay. Ready? So for Adrian and Himadri.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Answer the back.
Answer the back, Adri.
Answer the back.
Answer the back.
Come.
Keep it here.
Yes. Again, go. Go again, go.
Go.
La. There. Himadri, hurry up. Yes.
Go.
Very good. Okay. Go again. Himadri, yes. Come. 3. Come, go. Okay. So Himadri is the winner.
Time is left.
Okay, go.
Go, you do.
Time up.
Up.
Okay, please give them a big clap. Okay, please give them a big clap. So the winner is Himadri.
5 biscuits.
So she collected 5 biscuits. And now again next is Soham and Abbas. Sanvika. She's supporting her brother. Others, please go away. Move away. So Abbas and Soham. Please give them a big clap. Wait. Okay, hands at the back. Hands at the back.
Okay. Wait, Abbas. 3, 2, 1, start.
Go. Look, Abbas, Soham, Abbas, Soham. Come. No. Come. No. Okay, one. Come, collect it with your mouth only. Arre. Yes. Soham, come. Yes, Soham, come. Please come.
Abbas at the back. Okay, do one. Yes. Abbas. Oh, yes.
Yes. Come. No, don't use hand.
Don't use.
हात चलाउनु हुँदैन Don't use hand. Soham. Yes. Don't use hand. हात चलाउँदैन.
1.
Yes. Don't use hand.
Which time out? Which time out?
Okay, time up. Okay. So the winner is Abbas. Please give him a very good. So please give them a big clap. Abbas and Soham.
Oh, now he's
You can eat.
Abbas.
Still is collecting. Very good.
Collect. Go. Last. Sincere, no? Oh my.
Very good. Okay. So who is the winner? Abbas. Okay, next game is bounce the ball. Okay. So the bucket is there. And each student will get 3 balls. Okay. And you have to bounce the ball and drop the ball in the bucket. Okay. If you will be able to drop the ball in the bucket, then you will be the winner. Okay. So turn wise we will give. So ready? So you will get 3 balls. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
You have to
Now bounce it.
You have to bounce.
One chance gone. Bounce it. Yes, 1. Okay, go. One, go.
Give me that one.
Next is Wongchuk. So start. 1.
Last collect. No. Bounce.
Bounce. No. Okay, go. Next.
Sanskrit.
Now next is Sanskrit. Bounce the ball. No. No.
Papa, you sit this side.
No. So no chance. Okay, go. Next. Nisha Mango. He's cheering up Nisha Mango. No. 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 Okay, go.
Who else? Abhinav.
Abhinav.
Move on.
Now Abhinav. Start. Go.
Sandwich.
1. 2.
Touch.
Okay, now Maina. You won.
Bounce. 1. Bounce.
Yes.
No.
White boy.
No. 1. So who is the winner? Abhinav is the winner.
No, more of them are there, no?
This is
Abhinav. So Abhinav is the winner. He collected how many? balls? He dropped 2. 1, 2, 3, start. Come. Open the gap. Now go. Start. Fast now. Yes, come. Fast. Fast. Go fast. Hurry up. Oh, Rian. Priyansi. Okay, please clap for Priyansi. Okay, so Priyansi is the winner. Okay, now we are going to start another game, that is musical chair, for the students of class nursery, KG and 1. So let's see who will be the winner. So I'm out. Okay. Take out one chair. So he's enjoying it. La. मुलाकातों में तो ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरे बातों ने ऐसा उलझा Okay, take out. Hey, happy. Look, ready. Miss will play the music. Run. Party topi.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
Sanvika is the winner. Sanvika is the winner. Please clap us for. Class for.
कमरैमा पटुकी कसेर मुसु मुसु हाँसेकी बसेर कमरैमा पटुकी कसेर मुसु मुसु हाँसेकी बसेर रुकुमाई कोठा रुकुमाई कोठा रुकुमाई कोठा रुकुमाई कोठा रुकुमाई कोठा आँखा नि राम्रै हो पर्ने ओठा ए आँखा नि राम्रै हो पर्ने ओठा
By playing different kinds of games, you got lots of gifts from the teachers, isn't it? So now this is the time to be awarded, okay? Certificates to you all. So are you ready? Okay, so I will call one by one. Please come up on the stage, okay? So first of all, Abbas Rai from class nursery, please come. Abbas Rai, collect the biscuits. Come and come. Please give him a Priyansi Rai. Priyansi Rai for winning the game, fill the bottle. Winning the competition, fill the bottle. Now I would like to call Abhinav Basnet from class 4 for winning the competition, bounce the ball. Okay, now I would like to call Miss Sanvika Rai from class 1 for winning the competition musical chair. Please come. Congratulations. Okay, stand here. Now I would like to call Miss Himatri Misra from class nursery for winning the competition balancing the ball. Miss, Soham, come here. Now I would like to call Master Raj Rai from class 4. He was the winner of Collect the Marble. Congratulations. All students, please go at the back. Now I would like to call Master Srisant Pradhan
Shreya, you
from
go at the
class
back.
4. He also won the competition Collect the Marble. Now I would like to call Master Dipankar Pradhan.
Go at the back from Sandika.
He also won the competition Collect the Marble.
Your hands.
Congratulations.
You
Okay,
go
now I would
there
like
and
to
ours.
call
Keep it in front of us.
Miss Subeksha Tamang from class 4. She also won the competition Collect the Marbles. Okay. So these were the certificates for winning the games, isn't it? Now I would like to call first for most attentive in the class. Who is it? So when we teach you in the classrooms, no, whether you pay attention to the teachers or not. Okay, whenever we ask you questions in the middle, no, whether you will be able to give the answers or not. By observing that, we are going to give the certificate. So the winner of this certificate is Miss Priyansi Rai. Okay, solutions to the teachers know in the classroom, isn't it? Okay. Congratulations. So solutions in the class.
Clap hands.
Oh, it's fine. Now another award is for most neat and tidy to Master Abhinav Chetri from class 4. Most neat and tidy. No, I give Chetri, sorry. Okay, Abhinav Basne. So please give him one big clap.
Stand up. Stand up.
So have you observed him? He comes neat and clean now to the school? Yes. Now we have selected 2 students from the school, okay, for best handwriting. So who has best handwriting in the school?
Moima Adas.
Huh?
Moima Adas.
Moima Adis. Sure. Moima and Nishamma. Okay, one from senior and one from junior. So first one is Adas Pandey from class 1.
I was
He
here.
has no good handwriting. Okay, his writing in both Nepali and English both are very neat and clean. We always observe it, isn't it, miss?
Yes, miss.
So he got this. Oh, very happy, no? Okay, congratulations.
Slow but steady, no?
And from class 4, Miss Mahima Seva. Even her handwriting is very good, very good handwriting. So congratulations. Now, hard walking. Who works hard, no? Though he is slow, but he tries his best, okay, to get good marks. He learns and comes to the school whenever we give lessons. So who is it? Who is it? Teachers, any guess?
Shreyan.
Huh?
Shreyan.
Shreyan, yes. Shreyan, he works very okay, don't do this fast again. Okay. Now, one more hardworking student is there. Okay. Who is it? Now again, teachers, please guess. She is Miss Asmita Chetri from class 1. She also works hard. Okay. So please give her a big clap. Okay.
Stand.
Now punctual. What do you mean by punctual? Punctual means who always
On
follows
time.
the time. Okay. And he doesn't remain absent. He mostly tries to come to school. So who is it?
Srishan. Srishan.
Srishan.
Sanskrit or Srishan?
Who comes?
Srishan.
Who is this? Huh? Srisan. Yes, Srisan. Please come. He hardly remains absent?
1-2 days.
Yeah. Last time when he was suffering from fever, then also he came to school. He wanted to come to school. So for that, no? Rians also. Okay. So please give him a big clap.
Shishan, stand there with Mahina.
Now, obedient student. So this award is given to Miss Nishamang Subba. Please give her a big clap. Congratulations. Okay. Stand there. Now, active student of the school. Who is active? Very active in the school? She tries to learn the answers also. She participates in the
Subeksha.
different activities.
Subeksha.
Subeksha, please come this. Subeksha, she is most active student in the school. So please give her a
Miss, come this side. Come this side.
Congratulations.
Stand at the back.
And this one is for spell bee competition. So how many of you participated in the spell bee competition? And who were the winner? Call one by one. Okay, please come in front. Sanskrit Guzel, Sanvika Roy, Priyali Subba, Mahima Seva, Riyan Seva, Abhinav Vasnet. I also have a check. Abhi Rai. Keep all the certificates there.
No, it's good.
Okay, this certificate is one by one. Okay, fine. Sanskrit Guzel. Sanskrit Guzel, please come here. Sanvika Roy. Priyali Subba. Mahima Seva. Please come in front. Congratulations. Riyan Seva. Abhinav Vasnet. And Abhi Rai. Congratulations. So these are the certificates. Okay, we are going to distribute typos for the students. Typos.
मटर नहीं खाती है ना, मांस नहीं खाती है ना, तो चिप्स वगैरह है ना उसके लिए।
Run the miss. Come here. Come in front. You don't take chicken, no? That's right. Go a little bit. Now open that, keep it in your plate and eat, okay?
Everyone got books? Only buy one get one, right? Spoon is there. Where? The spoon is there, no? Spoon is there.
This is, come this way.
Spoon. Spoon.
Want to give it spoon?
Some of them are there.
You want spoon? You got a spoon? You want? Hey. No, why you don't eat chicken, no? So this is for you, okay?
Miss, I give. Miss, I give.
So did you like it? Yes.
Oh, Asmita, you want pickle?
Eat it. Liked it? Did you like it? Really, you can go to your grandmother. She will feed you. Go.
Really go.
Go. She will feed you. And some of them are here. Did you like it? Oh, give that to my mom. She will eat with biscuit. No?
You want?
Did you like it? Yes. Happy Children's Day once again to every one of you. Everyone. Bye bye. Bye. सो आजको भ्लग यति नै थियो। तपाईहरुले देख्नुभयो हाम्रो नानीहरुले आज एकदमै एन्जॉय गर्यो चिल्ड्रेन्स डे। सो लाइक शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु नबिर्सिदिनु होला। धन्यवाद।